In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to import FrameMaker files into AuthorIt. Before I started this recording, I saved my book and chapter files as MIF in FrameMaker. This file format writes text files with all the important information. AuthorIt imports these MIF files to ensure you get a cleaner import rather than mucking about with binary files. I'm going to select one file from my book, but if I were doing this for real, I'd probably select all of them. If this is the first time you've done this, you might also want to work with one file until you're confident you're getting what you want. After I click Open, AuthorIt scans the file looking to see what the content is. This process is typically fast, but if you have a 100-page frame file with a lot of graphics, for example, this may take a bit. Just be patient. Now we see the first dialog box that's showing us the way AuthorIt thinks the file should be divided into topics. This is okay, but I think I'd like my chapter title to start a chapter, and I'd like my heading 1s to be a regular topic, so I'll change that. I could change any of the rest of this, but generally, this looks fine. A great feature during import can be found by clicking the Rules button. These are the rules that are used during the import, and you can add new ones as you need them. For example, let's add a rule that finds a word and replaces it during the import. So I'll give the rule a name, and notice the other tab changed name as well. We'll click that and specify what we want found during the import and what we want it replaced with. This is a very simple example, and you can get very advanced if you need to. After we click OK, we can see the available rules and then see that our new rule has been added to the rules we'll use during this import. Now click Next to see how the styles are going to be mapped. AuthorIt does a good job of guessing, but if we want to change the mapping here, we can. This is also a great place to clean up messy FrameMaker files and really reduces your cleanup time after you get your content into AuthorIt. Now when we click Next, AuthorIt is ready to parse the files using the rules we specified. This process is also typically fast, but again, if you have a large FrameMaker file with a lot of graphics, this could take some time. When the scanning is done, you see how your frame files have been converted into topics. You can see a preview of the topic by double-clicking. Go through the content, making sure that this is the structure and the formatting you wanted. If it's not, just click back and try other options. But if this is what you want, go ahead and click Next. Finally, the content is being converted into AuthorIt. You can see the files being converted, the graphics being converted, cross-references, index entries, and so on. When it's done, click Close. You're done. Now your content is ready for you to start using. Notice that your content has been imported into a folder that has the same name as the file you just imported. Now you're ready to go. You can start using this content in AuthorIt. I hope this was helpful.